Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the new features in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till then so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, now test cases have been introduced, right? So when you are going to create a flow, right, on the left side, you will have test cases, right? You can create a test case for your desktop flow. So test cases are now available in a new tab in the console of Power Automate Desktop, which will allow you to validate if your desktop flows work as expected. Testing flows come with the testing module, including two new actions for testing purposes, which is assert and test a desktop flow, right? So now you will be able to create a test case for your Power Automate Desktop to ensure that your desktop flows are working as expected. This is the screen when you are going to create a test case. Here you will specify the case name, and then here you can specify the flow. Another feature which has been introduced in Power Automate Desktop is that a new action is now available for SAP automation. A new action called Select SAP Navigation Item is now available in the SAP Automation module, which will allow you to interact with menu items in the application toolbar of the SAP window, right? So to select the navigation menu, you will have this action which is called as Select SAP Navigation Item, right? And then we have Azure Key Vault credentials. So now you will have this Get Credential action, which will give you the support of retrieving the Azure Key Vault credentials in addition to the CyberArk ones, right? So we have one option to store the credential using the CyberArk. Apart from this, now you have this Azure Key Vault, right? So these are the updates in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.